Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to apply Capital One credit card. So let's start the video. First of all, go to the app Capital One. After that, go to product offerings and then select credit cards option. You'll then be redirected to this page to see if you are pre-approved for a credit card from Capital One. You can tap right here. Now scroll down to explore the cards made available by Capital One and select the one that suits your need. After that, tap on apply. Now here, let's go with Platinum MasterCard. Now you need to provide some information about yourself. Provide your personal information, that is legal first name, legal last name, date of birth, social security number, and answer if you are a US citizen or not. Then read all the information that has been provided here. Finally, tap on continue, then follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to apply for credit card in Capital One Bank.